I love taking pictures and I love taking videos, so I got this little digital camera that I'm super excited about. And let's go ahead and open it up together. It comes with an SD card already, comes with some instructions, and then it just comes with the camera itself. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. And then it comes with a bag to hold it, and then it also comes with a charger, and it's just a USB-C charger. Let's go ahead and unravel it and learn a little bit about it together. So this is the back of it, and then this is the front of it. You can take that up and you can have like a little vlogging moment, and all you have to do is hold this power button to turn it on, and it's saying hello. And if you want to, you can just turn the screen around like that. You have video mode, you have different modes to change the settings, like normal, vintage, so many different things. And then you also have a zoom in button at the top right here. And then if you wanted to, you could also put this on a tripod. You also have just the normal delete button, the flash, and then this is going to be the clicker to take the picture. And it's not taking the picture because I don't have the SD card in, so you want to make sure that you have the SD card in. I'm super excited that I got this, and if you're looking for a little digital camera that you can record videos on and take pictures on, then this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.